Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture we will learn how to add and update sets in Python. So go to PyCharm, right click on the set directory, choose new then Python file. Let's give it a name set_add. We'll create a set of fruits, create a variable called fruits equals within curly braces, inside the set within double quotes apple, within double quotes banana, within double quotes cherry. Now let's add a new item to this set. We use the add method. We type fruits.add within brackets within double quotes type mango. This line will add mango to the set. Now let's print the set. We type print function within brackets within quotes fruits after adding mango colon close quotes comma then fruits. Run the program. You will see that mango is added in a random position. Remember, sets are unordered, so don't worry about the position of the item. Now let's see what happens if we try to add apple again. Note that it is a duplicate element. Let's type fruits.add within brackets within double quotes apple. Print the set again. Call print function within brackets double quotes after trying to add apple again colon comma then fruits. Run the program and you will notice nothing changes. No duplicate is added. That's because sets ignore duplicates automatically. What if you want to add more than one item at a time? To do this, you use the update method. Let's type fruits.update within brackets square bracket list. Inside within double quotes orange, within double quotes pineapple, within double quotes kiwi. This will add 3 new fruits to the existing set. Let's print the result. Type print function within brackets double quotes after update colon comma then fruits. Run the program. The set now contains all previous fruits plus the new ones and still no duplicates. Now let's see one real-world example, updating tags in a system. Imagine you are building a tag system where each user has a set of unique tags. Let's create a variable called user_tags equals within curly braces. Inside, within double quotes, developer, within double quotes Python, within double quotes backend. Now let's say the user completes a course and earns new tags. We type user_tags dot update inside square brackets within double quotes cloud within double quotes docker. Print it out using print function within brackets double quotes updated tags colon comma user_tags. Run the program. Now you will see the full updated tag list without any duplicates. This is a real-world way to manage categories, labels or user skills. Let's recap what we've learned. We use the add method to insert a single item. We use update to add multiple items at once. If the item already exists, the set ignores it. No duplicates allowed. Sets grow dynamically without needing to predefine their size, and this is perfect for storing things like user tags, product categories and IDs. In the next lecture, we will learn how to remove items from a set safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.